today we will learn how to compute first and follow, as it is being used in most of the compiler design, or it is used in a design of various parsers. Okay, so let's start with the how to compute first and follow.
So let's take one example. E gives you T E dash gives you plus T E dash or epsilon. T gives you F T dash. T dash gives you star F T dash or epsilon. T dash means T prime. F gives you in bracket E or F gives you ID. And our task is to compute first and follow, because whatever the parsers which we are going to learn, whether it is CLR, whether it is SLR, or whether it is a predictive parser, we always need to compute first and follow. Okay, so what is first? First is nothing but, remember one thing, first and follow we have to always compute for the non-terminal, because whatever the strings we are generating for the given grammar, it will always be derived from the non-terminal, isn't it? So first is nothing but whatever the string is going to generate from that particular non-terminal, what will be the first alphabet in it. For example, if I write S gives me A S B, or S will be B, then what are the possible string which can be derived from this grammar? It will be either B. If I say my string is B, yes, accepted. If I say my string is S gives me ASB, I will replace this S with A, B, B. So what is the first symbol in it? B. So in this case, first for S will be either A or B. First means whatever the non-terminal is given to you, and the string derived from that non-terminal, what is a first alphabet or what is the first terminal used in that string, isn't it? So there are three rules in order to compute the first. First rule says, if you have a production rule, let's say A gives you alpha and B, where alpha is a terminal. Getting it? A gives you alpha B, where alpha is a terminal, then first of A must have alpha in it, where alpha is terminal. Okay, now second rule says, if A gives you beta B, it is B, then, and if beta is non-terminal, then first of A will have first of beta in it. For example, if I say A gives me AC, here A is my terminal, yes, so first of A will always have A in it. Okay, now if I have another production rule, let's say A gives me B small c and B gives me D. So now A gives me B, where this B is capital B, which indicate it is a non-terminal. So if A gives me non-terminal, then A ka first must have first of B, and first of B is what? D. So first of A will be equal to what? D. Getting it? Third rule says, if I have a production rule, A gives you epsilon, then first of epsilon, or sorry, first of A should always include epsilon in it. Okay, so these are the three rules in order to compute the first. Okay, which are those three rules? If A gives you alpha B is one production rule where alpha is a terminal, then directly add that alpha into a first of A. Okay, if A gives you beta, where beta is non-terminal, then obtain first of beta and add it into a first of A. And third rule says if A gives you epsilon, then first of A must have epsilon in it. Okay. Now come to our problem. This is our problem. Okay. And we have to find first. So first of all the non-terminals given in this example. So which are those? E. Second was E dash. Third was T, T dash and F. Okay. Now check this example. What does this example says? E gives me T. Means E is giving you another non-terminal. So first of E will have first of T in it. Okay. So check for first of T. Now check for T. T gives you F. Again it is a non-terminal. So first of T will include first of F. Now move for F. F gives you opening bracket. As I told you, except capital letters, whatever the small alphabet or special symbols given to you, that will be your terminals, including epsilon, isn't it? So first of F will be opening bracket and ID, isn't it? So I will write first of F is equals to opening bracket comma ID, because I'm getting it directly. Okay? One non-terminal is giving me a production rule which is going to start with terminal. So I should add that terminal in a first of that non-terminal. Clear? Similarly, F gives me ID. So ID is direct terminal. So I will write here terminal. Now, see this rule. T bar or T prime gives you star of star ft, where star is a terminal. So according to our first rule, if any non-terminal gives you alpha b, where alpha is a terminal, then first of T bar should include alpha star in it. So first of T will be star comma. Now T dash gives you epsilon. If one non-terminal gives you epsilon, then first of that non-terminal must include epsilon. So it is epsilon. Clear? Now check for E prime or E dash. So E dash gives you plus. Again plus is a terminal. Means E dash is starting with plus. So directly you will write plus of E dash. Plus in a first of E dash. Okay. Comma. E dash gives you epsilon. So first of E dash will have epsilon in it. So we'll write epsilon. Means by a first rule that if A gives you terminal followed by anything, then first of A will have that terminal in it. Okay. We are obtained this many rules. Now move for the another one, that E gives you TE bar. So first of E gives you first of T. Check for T. First of T will equal to first of F. So check for F. Now first of F is equal to opening bracket and ID, which you have already written. So first of F is opening bracket and ID. So now first of T will always equal to first of F. So it will again equal to opening bracket and ID. Similarly, first of E equal to first of T. So again it will be equal to opening bracket and ID. So this is how we obtain first for the given position. Okay. 3 rules you have to remember. If one non-terminal gives you right hand side, where right hand side is going to start with a terminal, then add that terminal directly into the, then add that terminal into first of that particular non-terminal. Okay. Second rule, if one non-terminal gives you another non-terminal followed by anything, then obtain the first of that another non-terminal, and whatever answer you will get, that will be first of A. And according to third rule, if A gives you epsilon, then epsilon should be there in a first of A. I hope you understood it. Okay. So solve all the problem given to you as an assignment and submit it as soon as possible.